Hey everyone, we are going to do number 6. We're not going to do it all. We are going to start it just to make sure we don't make a silly mistake. We have an equation. We draw our line. How do we get rid of minus 14? Plus 14, right? And when we do plus 14, that makes that go away. That part I know you can handle. Now, this part over here is where I think we get confused. This is integers. There are negatives and positives. Easy to make a mistake. This one is a negative, so it starts to the left on the number line, right? Plus 14, normal addition, moves to the right. Difference, subtract. So when we subtract this, 9 minus 4, 4 minus 1, and hopefully we know that's negative. Okay, so that's negative 35 right there. Okay. Now, your job is to finish this up and watch your sign. Okay. Number 7, the only thing I'm going to tell you is that that is a multiply problem. Solve it carefully. Number 8 says, Katie spins a spinner 40 times and lands on the color purple 18 times. So we spin the spinner 40 times. Purple is 18 times. If she spins the spinner 200 times, how many times do you predict she will land on the color purple? Okay. Guys, this is very similar to the problem we did before. We have a prediction problem. So guys, remember predict, proportion. We're setting up a proportion. So think of what we're focusing on right now. What are we focusing on? Purple. Tell me what we know about purple. Hopefully you know that we spin it 18 out of, please don't say 200, 18 out of 40 times. Okay, these are in the same sentence. These are like related. Okay, 18 out of 40. 18 is what? Purple. Out of 40 total. Most of you, once you get this, you know the next number, which is 200. 200, do you think that goes on top or bottom? And hopefully you know it goes on bottom because it says how many times do you predict she will land on the color purple? So I don't know purple. I know the total. Okay? So your job is to solve this. There's definitely several ways you can solve it. Okay? Okay, guys. You are going to do number 9. Write the formula. Write the formula. Okay. Number 10. The budget below shows the money amounts that a college student uses. He works 20 hours a week and makes $12 hourly. In 1 week, how much money is budgeted for food for 1 week? So I repeated that and I should not have. So I am going to take that out while I'm on here with you. Whoa, that was interesting. Let's try this. I thought I forgot to put it for 1 week, but I obviously did not. Okay. So when I look at this, I'm seeing kind of like small amounts, like rent, guys, that's more than 10%. Education, like somebody, we're obviously paying off something. Food is 40%, clothing is 20%, medicine, other expenses. So there's nothing in here for like transportation, anything like this. So this budget reminded me of a college student. There's nothing in here for savings. Okay, there is others. Okay, so again, this budget, when I saw it, it reminded me of a college student. So in order to figure out how much money is budgeted for food, we first need to know how much money that we make. Okay, so, and I did not tell you any differently, so let's just not even worry about tax on this right now. I should have done that, but we'll just say that this is how much he's making after taxes. Maybe he makes more than that. So if he works 20, or he or she works 20 hours a week and makes $12 hourly, what do we do to figure out how much money this person makes? And guys, hopefully you know we're going to multiply. You need to know this, okay? If I work 20 hours a week, I make $12 an hour. I sure hope that I know how to figure out how much money I'm making. Okay, hold my spot. So I'm getting $240, okay? And again, normally I would take taxes out. We're just going to pretend we already did. And now in order to figure out how much we get for food, we change the percent to a decimal and we multiply. And that will tell us how much money this person makes for food. I think it's kind of funny that that is the biggest category. Okay. Anyway, figure out food. That's your job. Do that now.